Indian Premier League 2026 match number 61 Punjab Kings vs Royal Challengers Bengaluru match played at Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium Dharmshala. Punjab Kings won the toss, elected to bowl first. Royal Challengers Bengaluru 20 overs 222 runs lost by 4 wickets. Venkatesh Iyer is the highest scorer 73 runs, 40 balls not out. Then Punjab Kings best bowling spell Harpreet Bar 4 overs no maiden 35 runs, 2 wickets taken. Punjab Kings 20 overs 199 runs lost by 8 wickets. Shashank Singh is the highest scorer 56 runs 27 balls. Then Royal Challengers Bengaluru best bowling spell Rashik Salam Dar 4 overs no maiden 36 runs 3 wickets taken. Royal Challengers Bengaluru won by 23 runs in this match. Player of the match Venkatesh Iyer. Congratulations Royal Challengers Bengaluru.